Write a paragraph or essay on your experience of a rainy day. My experience of a rainy day. A few months ago, I passed a rainy day that I can remember clearly. It was Friday, last June. From the morning, the sky was overcast with cloud. The atmosphere became dark with stormy wind. At about 7:30 a.m., heavy rainfall started. I could not go to school. I was at my home. Sometimes sitting in our balcony, I enjoyed the rainy nature. The rainwater occupied the paths. The birds were drenching on trees. Some cattle were standing under rain. My neighboring friends came to my house to pass the rainy day. I passed my time with my friends watching TV, reading books, drawing pictures, and sometimes playing indoor games. My mother cooked delicious foods like hotchpotch, papad, etc. The rain stopped at night and the weather became fresh. The stars were starting to twinkle in the sky. I enjoyed the whole day.